What a shame, could've got picked. Had a really good game, but you missed your last shot. So you talk about who you see at the top, or what you could've saw. But sad to say, it's over for. Made a bull up, bad late, open doors. Wish the wrong way, got what you was looking for. Now see who they want, so you can take that little piece of shit with you.
So I'd like to, we're gonna come out with me, James, yeah. We're gonna come out and say what's happening. We got to come out to see you guys. Come on. Don't, please try not to blow me because I'll spill my tea on you, it'll burn you. And that will be bad for everybody. Hi, Los Angeles. It's a little scary out here. It's very narrow. So I guess back in the day, and maybe sometimes still, this whole area over here used to be a pool. Do you guys know that? This whole area? This section? They used to fill it with, I guess, water, and it had dancing thing. I don't know what the fuck it was, but they told me it was a pool. Fun facts for you guys. Ladies, we're the ladies in the house tonight. We love you very much, ladies, we do, because we write a lot of songs about you. But we do, it's actually the majority of our subject matter in all of our songs. Us specifically, but most songs in general has to do with girls, because we love them so much. They drive us crazy, and we love them, and we're infatuated and obsessed with them, and we respect them, and all of that. So we love you, ladies. This song is, of course, dedicated to you. Because without you guys, we have nothing to write about. Nasty. Don't worry, there's no alcohol. Beauty queen of only 18, she had some trouble with herself. He was always there to help her, she always belonged. rainbow. No, I tend to get so insecure. It doesn't matter anymore. It's not always rainbows and butterflies. It's compromise and moves us along. Yeah, my heart is full and my door's always open. Come and turn around. I don't mind spending every day out on the corner in the pouring rain for the girl with the broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while. She will be loved. She will be loved. She will be loved. She will be loved. I know you are alone in your car. Knowing the pain